Thank you for the time given to me. My name is Prilly Khofia Rizal Naraham. I will explain about when was the first airplane invented and who invented. Okay, created from the book Digital Learning by Hidayatullah 2018-31. The airplane is an air vehicle that was first discovered by Wright Orville and Wright Wilbur. Plan of his inven- the plan of his invention first flew in the year 1900 and in the vacant land of North Carolina, United States. Basically, the desire to create a plane has been ingrained in the minds of the two brothers since the year 1882. At the time, his father gave them a gift in the form of helicopter toy. When when given the gift, they are amazed and have a dream to be able to make human flies. The idea can initiated when they have grown up, namely in the year 1899. The Wright brothers succeeded in the building an airplane for the first time, which was named the 1900 glider. Okay, I think that's all I can say. Thank you for the nice attention for me. Good afternoon, everyone. See you.